Reminisce and celebrate. Don Bosco is everything to us. His dream became our dream. His passion for the young, expressed in Da Mihi Animas,
Chitra Thulle,
Give me souls, take away the rest, became our life's vision, our life's journey. Don Bosco is eternally fascinating. His legacy is a priceless treasure we possess. His name evokes respect, admiration, and praise. He is certainly a man for all seasons. His mission for the young was filled with humanness, vibrance, relevance, and holiness. His foresight and ingenuity, his flexibility and apostolic ardor are great lessons for life. He showed us how to love like Jesus, the Good Shepherd. He showed us how to hold fast to our Blessed Mother, Mary, help of Christians. Understand him, love him, and emulate him. Keep Don Bosco alive in you.